Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then, a game that could well keep us busy for a few days, but you never know, someone could guess it correctly straight away. What I want to know is, can you guess exactly how many coins are in this ball? We're going to tip them out. They've already been counted. The number is sealed. Don't worry, there's no changing of it. You can guess one a day. I'll write down all of the guesses, all of the incorrect ones, unless we just get it in one day, just so no one's double guessing. And then every single evening, we'll check back. You can re-guess, re-evaluate, try and see whereabouts you may have gone wrong. Maybe try and get them in a few different piles to try and help you out. So for now, all you need to do is comment exactly how many coins you think are in this ball. And it could well be quite deceiving. There is a few in there indeed. I'd definitely say there's more than one. Again, all you need to do is comment exactly how many you think are in this ball. Yes, some of you may be miles away to start with, but I'm sure when we start seeing the guesses, they'll start clumping a little bit closer. But don't worry, there'll be a few clues along the way as well, and hopefully it can keep us busy for a little while. Again, the first person that guesses it correctly, they will get their hands on a prize. I've got a few out at the moment, just waiting for making sure they are all delivered. And once they all are, we will reveal the prize, and I'm sure by then we'll be close to guessing the number correct. Stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.